Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making safety absolute. Unload the gun, remove ammo, and confirm the chamber is empty. Once done, field strip to expose stainless surfaces and lay parts on a soft mat to avoid dings. Use degreaser to remove oils and let parts dry. This prevents contaminants from grinding in. Make sure to label small parts or photograph disassembly for reassembly. You now have a clean, dry stainless surface and the right tools at hand to start cutting tarnish and smoothing the finish. You now tackle the finish. Begin with coarser grit only where pits or deep oxidation exist, then step up grits to refine the surface. Progressively finer abrasives remove the scratches left by prior steps. Keep the area wet and wipe debris frequently to avoid cross-grit scratches. Once the surface feels uniform, move to 0000 steel wool for texture blending, then apply a light polish with compound on a soft wheel or cloth. Make sure to inspect often so you don't overwork thin areas. You finish by removing polish residue with a clean microfiber, then apply a thin protective oil to prevent fingerprints and rust. Buff lightly to an even sheen. Reassemble the firearm using your photos or labels, then perform a full function and safety check in a safe direction. Store in a dry, temperature-stable place with silica if needed. If you notice persistent swirls, deep pits, or changes to critical surfaces, stop and either spot correct with finer abrasives or seek a professional gunsmith for repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.